Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best slide topper is probably one of the most essential accessories for any RV owner looking to protect their investment and enhance their camping experience, offering a robust shield against the elements and debris that can accumulate on your RV's slide-out rooms. This innovative product not only safeguards your slide-out seals and mechanisms from UV damage, rain, snow, and dirt, but it also contributes to maintaining the aesthetic appeal and structural integrity of your recreational vehicle, ensuring that your slide-outs operate smoothly and remain in pristine condition for years to come, ultimately providing peace of mind and reducing maintenance costs. Number 5. Solera RV Slide-Out Protection. Keep your RV's slide-out safe from dirt, debris, and damaging water. Our slide toppers prevent pooling and protect seals from mold and damage. Find the perfect fit for your RV, with options ranging from 66 to 192 inches. Choose from black or white fabrics to match your style. Built to last, our slide toppers are made with 13.5-ounce vinyl tested to withstand extreme cold without cracking. Reinforced seams ensure leak-free performance. Protect your slide-out from costly damage with this practical and economical solution. Its stylish design complements your RV's look. Everything you need for a simple installation is included. Mounted up to 5 inches above the trim for flexible placement. What we like. This offers robust protection against dirt and water pooling. If you are looking for a complete kit with easy installation for your RV, this is a great choice. It's designed for those who want a straightforward, do-it-yourself solution to keep their slide-out clean and dry. What people say. It was easy to install and looks great. The slide topper is a great addition to the RV, keeping debris out of the slide. It provides excellent protection against the elements and has held up well. Number 4. Dulepax RV Slide-Out Awning Fabric Replacement. Is your RV slide-out awning worn or damaged? It's time for a replacement. You can easily install this premium fabric yourself, saving money compared to a professional RV shop. This awning fabric is crafted from heavy-duty, 3-ply vinyl. It's designed to be waterproof and resistant to UV rays, ensuring it stands up to extreme cold and all-weather conditions. Available in various lengths, you can cut this fabric to perfectly fit your RV's slide-out awning. Choose from classic white or sleek black to match your RV's style. Installing this universal replacement fabric is straightforward. With 2 pre-sewn polycords, it easily slides into your existing awning system without the need for special tools. Protect your RV's slide-out system with this essential accessory. It's designed to be compatible with most major RV awning brands, offering a versatile solution for many RV owners. What we like. This is a premium fabric replacement that's cost-effective. If you need to replace just the fabric and want something durable that can withstand extreme cold, this is the one for you. It's suitable for DIY enthusiasts who want to save money by doing the replacement themselves. What people say. The slide topper is easy to install and provides excellent protection from the elements. It effectively keeps debris and water out of the slide-out, preventing potential damage. The material is durable and has held up well against sun and rain. Number 3. RecPro RV Slide-Out Awning Fabric. Introducing our premium RV slide-out awning fabric, designed for durability and a perfect fit. It's engineered to withstand the elements and keep your RV protected. This fabric offers superior protection against rain, storms, and UV rays. Its robust construction ensures it won't billow or puddle, keeping your slide-out dry and secure. With a tensile strength of 140 psi, this awning is built to last. The lightweight vinyl won't fray, and heat-bonded seams prevent tears and leaks, ensuring long-term reliability. Easily cut to your specific slide-out width, installation is a breeze. Plus, it's simple to clean, ensuring it looks great for years to come. Choose from classic black or white to complement your RV's exterior. This versatile option provides both functionality and style for your adventures. Designed to fit slide-out rooms ranging from 160 inch to 200, it's a versatile solution for many RVs. Enjoy a tight, secure fit every time. What we like. This offers excellent durability and resistance to extreme weather conditions. If you need a customizable fabric that's built to last and maintain its appearance, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who want a long-lasting, stylish solution that can be trimmed to fit perfectly. What people say. The SlideTopper is a great addition to my RV. It keeps the slide out clean and protected from the elements. Installation was straightforward and the topper fits perfectly, providing excellent coverage. The material is durable and seems like it will last for a long time, offering good protection against sun and rain. Number 2. Dometic 9800018.401U Easy SlideTopper Awning Hardware. Discover the Dometic 9800018.401U Easy SlideTopper, an essential auto accessory designed for your convenience. It offers a seamless slide-out awning experience. Enjoy the ease of use with this innovative hardware. Its design ensures smooth and reliable operation every time you extend or retract your awning. Crafted with quality in mind, this accessory is built to last. You can count on its durability for all your outdoor adventures. This slide-out awning hardware is the perfect addition to your vehicle. It integrates seamlessly, enhancing your outdoor living space. Setting up your awning is straightforward with this hardware. It's designed for a hassle-free installation process, getting you ready to relax faster. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this product represents quality and craftsmanship. Experience the difference of American-made auto accessories. What we like. This provides the essential hardware for your slide-out awning. If you're looking to install or replace the hardware components, this is a convenient and straightforward option. It's designed for those who need a reliable set of parts to get their awning functioning properly. What people say. The SlideTopper is easy to install and provides excellent protection from the elements. It effectively keeps debris and water out of the slide-out, preventing potential damage. The material is durable and has held up well against sun and rain. Number 1. RecPro RV Slide-Out Awning Fabric. Protect your RV's slide-out with our high-quality awning fabric. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep your interior safe. No matter the size of your slide-out, this fabric can be customized to fit perfectly. It can be adjusted down to 160 inches for a precise match. This is a replacement fabric only, making it a simple and cost-effective solution for your awning needs. Get your slide-out protected again with ease. Available in a classic black color, this fabric will complement any RV's aesthetic. It's both functional and stylish. Crafted for durability, this fabric is made to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your RV slide-out is well protected for years to come. Measuring 46 inches by 200 inches, this fabric offers ample coverage. It's the perfect size for many standard RV slide-outs. What we like. This is a fabric-only replacement that offers great flexibility in sizing. If you have a specific size requirement and only need the fabric part, this is a practical choice. It's perfect for those who want to customize the fit for their existing slide-out awning system. What people say. The SlideTopper is a great addition to my RV, providing excellent protection from the elements. Installation was straightforward, and the topper fits perfectly, covering the entire slide-out area. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance, keeping debris and water out effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.